Ready?
I was always content with my teeth until I got to dental school and started seeing the little imperfections. My name's Honora, and we are doing 10 veneers for my upper teeth, and I'm very, very excited. A lot of people have gotten veneers. Today, that's the thing to do. I want my smile to be just more natural and not so strained. They would change my smile, improve my confidence. Veneers would definitely change my life. When I was younger, I had gone through braces for 2 years. Once I started to educate myself more in dental school, I started noticing things like my upper lip, for example, didn't have enough lip support, my profile. I would want just a smile that stands out. Dr. Harper is world-renowned. He's the veneer master.
So the most important thing about doing this procedure is 100% understanding what the patient wants to achieve, and then understanding how and if that's possible to achieve. Porcelain veneers are a dental restoration. Veneers are a wafer-thin piece of porcelain that are bonded or glued directly on top of your tooth. Beauty is, and every aesthetic doctor should be working towards the same thing. We are trying to create harmony in someone's face. So Honora is a great case. Her upper jaw is pushed back. It's micro-gnathic. It's too small for her face. So for her, what we're trying to do is bring her top teeth out to simulate her upper jaw being more forward. We're gonna redesign a smile for her, and it's gonna be very impactful for her because it's not only gonna change her smile, it's gonna change her facial profile.
I think the big thing is whenever I take a picture, all my friends are always telling me that I need to smile more. And I'm hoping after today, that's all that I'm gonna be doing.
When you're designing something, you're trying to design it for the person so specifically in all of these little details. And that's what's gonna make teeth for her look like they're hers. So there has to be nuances or else it will end up looking like a denture plate. So I will shape the teeth very little on her, and then we will take molds of that, which will go to the lab, but they'll be able to build the porcelain veneers on top of. After we take molds, we'll make her final trial smile, which she'll go home with. She'll live with that for the next 2 weeks, and it'll be a chance for her to say anything she wants to make sure that she likes the final result.
So these 3 weeks have been completely different from what I'm used to. Today is a very, very exciting day because we get to place the final veneers in, which I'm so excited about.
We left her shocked and awed. No teeth.
That's insane.
Flashers.
Better, right? Gotcha.
That's great.
So the final veneers are in, and I literally cannot stop staring at them. They are so amazing. I feel like a brand new person. It's so nice. It's as if nothing's in there, but looks like a brand new smile. I got my veneers in right now, and I'm just going to eat an apple like nothing happened.